See how big he's gotten? He's gotten to be a big boy. Hey, sit. What are you doing? What you doing? He gotten to be a big boy. He's starting to look like a dog instead of a puppy. Epic want a tunnel. Ready? 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 He loves to tunnel. And tire. And once we get our shoot for Christmas, he'll like to shoot. Huh? Ready? Ready. So is Allie. And so is Sophie. Everybody's ready. 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 We're all ready. Aren't we? He's almost 4 months old. He'll be 4 months old on Tuesday. He's lost one tooth in the front. Right? One tooth. One tooth. And then you got the old man. He's still here. Leaves most of the time. And you see he's got little pee-pee pants on because he pee-pees on everybody when he sees you. And I'm so tired of changing my clothes that I bought him some pants. Did you get pants? Do you have to wear pants? Because you pee-pee on everybody. Because we call you Mr. Pee-Pee Pants. Mr. Pee-Pee Pants. Epic Pee-Pee Pants. Gonna go see sheep tomorrow? Sheep? Allie gonna go work sheep. Go see sheep. And he needs to go see sheep. I just wish you'd get some hair. It looks like a little smooth. You need to get some hair. Ready? 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 You're too cute.